Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
For selfish reasons, for the sake of power, for the sake of money, or for whatever other reason, these people who have benefited from the Congress party, who have gained from the Congress party, who are and who have held positions in the Congress party, for their personal selfish reasons, have defected. And an unfortunate development for the Congress party also. The Bharatiya Janata Party, their intention is what? To have no opposition in the country. And for them, the number one target is the Congress party. They have gone purely because one is power, two is money, and three is obviously the threats of the agencies or government action against any wrongdoing that they may have done. And what is the money that has been flowing? I have collected information. Each of these people have been given 30 crores, 40 crores for each of these MLAs. When we invest so much in them,
who betrayed the voters? Not the Congress party.
Not the Congress party.
Why?
Because
your candidates, sir.
See, we take responsibility for this. I apologize for this. Yes, I do apologize for the people of Goa. I humbly apologize.
How many times you will apologize?
We will apologize because when some things go wrong, there's nothing wrong in apologizing. When things go wrong, we have to admit, yes, things have gone wrong.
So 45 चे एका मनशाकडे डील झाला. सो यू इमॅजिन ताणी 40 ते 50 सांगले म्हटल्यार हे जे फुल ट्रान्झॅक्शन झाला पळय तातून कमीत ते कमी 250 ते 300 कोट्याचे डीलिंग झाला. हांगा आज सरकाराकडे पैसे ना. गोवा इज इन डेट. जवळजवळ 50-25 हजार कोटी रिणान आसा आमी. सोशल वेलफेअर स्किमाचे लोकांक पैसे घालपाक सरकाराकडे पैसे ना. चौथीकडे लोकांक त्रास करून लास्ट दिसा पैसे घातल्यात आणि हांगा हे 250 कोटी रुपया 300 कोटी रुपया MLA विकते घेवपाक स्पेंड करता.
8 आमदारांनी दिल्ल्या धपक्या उपरांत काँग्रेसीचो गोंय प्रभारी दिनेश गुंडू राव गोंयांत पावलो. ब्रेस्तारा संघटनात्मक फाट्याकडेन बसका घेतल्यो. बायला मोर्चा, युथ काँग्रेस, NSUI फुडाऱ्यां बरोबर 1-to-1 बसका जाल्ली. काल्लो सोडलो जाल्यार बाकीचे दोनूय आमदारांकडे ताची सांजे मेरेन तरी गाठ भेट नाशिल्ली.
Sir, what was the meeting about?
This is some internal party matters discussion.
सर कालचे डिस्कशन जाल्ले 8 आमदार गेल्याचे
कित्याचे? No, that we will discuss. I came late, so I don't know what was discussed before I came, but it was party organization matters.
And your opinion was sought on CLP leader, new CLP leader.
That we will decide later on. Because I'm the only person present here, it's not a correct thing to decide in the absence of my colleagues.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळकार.